it is amazing why you need to find a source factory when looking for size. Let me tell you today, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get latest business tips. First, quality assurance. The source factory has advanced technology and professional equipment, which can ensure product quality and delivery date. Second, customized service. Most sizes need to be produced based on actual conditions, such as the usage, indoor or outdoor. The source factory has a professional design and technician team to provide timely support during the production process. Third, quick response. Source factory has a flexible and fast-produced for design, profiling, and production. Back to see the sign manufacturers such as LCSIGN. We have focused on providing size solutions for 14 years, producing over 300 sets of size every month. Frankly speaking, it is difficult to guarantee the authenticity of factory. But when you come to our factory, you can see every step of the production process. Our high production efficiency ensures the delivery of your size. It is this scale and quality that makes every customer who cooperates with LCSIGN feel assured and satisfied, made them more determined to repurchase. Now our repurchase rate is high, raised to 85%. So if you need size, just come to us. No matter when, we will try our best to provide the best size and service for you. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit the like button and comment below. Life isn't perfect, but our size can be. This is LCSIGN in China. See you next time.